Anyone who tries to do anything that's out of their comfort zone will have moments where they feel discouraged. In this video, we look at 5 things you can do when feeling discouraged. Number 1. Remember your long-term goal. We often feel discouraged when reality does not match up to our expectations when working towards something. This is often the case as we focus on the short-term results rather than reviewing the long-term objective, thus putting undesirable pressure on ourselves. By taking time to reflect on the long-term goal, we relax our expectation and ease the pressure. Worthwhile endeavours require time and patience to come to fruition. So play the long game, but work like you're playing the short game. Number 2. Focus on your why. It's easy to lose sight of why you're doing what you are by focusing too much on the immediate results. However, take time to remember why you are doing what you are, as usually it's not for what you get back from it, but rather because you love and have purpose for taking the actions that you do. For example, creators on YouTube often have a tendency to shift focus on getting views, likes, comments and subscribers, rather than focusing on why they started their channel. So use the stats to grow, but don't lose focus from your purpose. Number 3. Be around positive people. There's a common phrase that you are the average of those you spend most time with. If you surround yourself with unambitious and negative people, you will likely take on similar traits and feel discouraged. Therefore, try to be around people who are working towards the same direction as you and will encourage progression and growth. This will increase your chances of success and help you build a more determined and focused mindset. Number 4. Focus on the solution. When we feel discouraged, it's usually because we're focusing on what we feel we don't have, rather than what we do. For example, if you fail to achieve a specific goal, the key is to understand that the experience is a learning experience from which you have grown. Own your failures as individual steps of progress towards your goal, rather than viewing them as limitations you place on yourself. Doing so keeps you focused on the destination you're heading to, not the potholes that you hit on your journey. Number 5. Love the journey. When you start a new challenge, it should never be simply with the goal of getting something back. Therefore, never focus on just earning huge amounts of money. Focus on how and why you'll earn that money. Doing so will be vital in those times you feel discouraged, because even when you aren't getting the results you might want, you will continue because you love doing the work.